Hey, Matt here with 911R, and we have this Tiger ending this morning, or a little bit later this afternoon. I just want to do like a little walk around and talk about. This car has been in a family that was very involved with the Sunbeam Tiger Organization and the club, and he went from his father to the son, and then it got sold to a couple clients of mine here in Scottsdale, Arizona. But this car is fully tax certified, Tiger Owners Club certified. The tags are in, and we have the paperwork and documents in it. When the car was fairly new, the motor was replaced with the newer version of the 289, the 302. It's basically the same block, just a little bit larger displacement. Since then, the car has been always serviced and well maintained. The car doesn't have any rust or corrosion or any issues like that. When we got the car, we upgraded it to Petronics distributor, so it really has electronic ignition, runs really good. The original parts also come with the car. It's got the cool spinner wheels on it. Tires are great on it. The British Racing Green paint is really sharp on it. I can't really find any flaws or imperfections in it, but it is, it was an older restoration, but it's really, really nice condition. The black interior is good. We have lots of paperwork and documents that come with the car. In the file here, there's lots of stuff. The wood on the dash is all original. There's a little bit of crazing in it, like the lacquer does on those. The steering wheel is really nice. It's got one little flaw here. Carpet is great on it. Tax certificates up underneath the dash. Hard to see, so we're not going to show that right now, but there's a picture of it. Look underneath the bonnet here, and you see it's just all very nice and tidy. You get the original AC air cleaner and the original Sunbeam Tiger valve covers with the stampings on it. The original style generator. I mean, it's just really nice. You look up in here in this area, you can see the car's never been hit or crashed or anything. The hood lines very nicely. These are really great cars. A lot of people, compare them to like a poor man's AC Cobra, because basically the same powertrain. But these are just a great classic car. You go out and you run on any rallies, vintage events, and they're always something people are always looking for. Any questions, hit us up on the contact seller button, and we'll get right back to you. Thank you very much.